In this video, we're testing the convergence of the infinite series e to the n over n cubed. And with a little bit of experience, you can just stare at this thing and say, oh, that diverges. And the reason why is because you have some experience with exponential versus polynomial growth rates. So as it turns out, exponentials are always going to grow faster than polynomials. And to justify this, what we're going to look at here is the divergence test, sometimes called the nth term test. If we take the large N limit of the terms in this series, and that doesn't go to zero, there's no way the series can converge to a finite number. So what we're going to investigate is the limit as n goes to infinity of e to the n over n cubed. Now that numerator and denominator both clearly go to infinity, which means we're allowed to use L'Hopital's rule here. And it becomes clear pretty quickly why the exponential is always going to win the growth contest. When I differentiate e to the n is completely unharmed. It just remains in e to the n, while that polynomial in the denominator now becomes 3n squared. And we can see the writing on the wall here, but we still have to apply L'Hopital's rule a second time, and I end up with e to the n over 6n. And still, the numerator and denominator are both infinite, so I differentiate the top and bottom one more time, and I get e to the n over 6. Well, as n goes to infinity, e to the n is approaching infinity. Infinity divided by 6, of course, it's still infinite. And not only are my terms not approaching zero, they're not even approaching a finite number. My individual terms are blowing up to infinity, so the sum of those terms in this infinite series must be blowing up to infinity as well. And we conclude that our series diverges. If you enjoyed this video, or at least found it useful, check out another one by clicking one of the links on the left. Or click the Zach's Lab logo on the right to explore dozens of physics and math playlists. As always, you can leave your questions, comments, and requests in the comments section below, and I'll get back to you within 24 hours. Thanks for watching Zach's Lab, and best of luck on your math and physics journey.